Menteri Rangba Kajela Konrad ke sangma hak arpu pratrik risau. Ula pelipat ba ya ke mini Secretariat ke barang state Plie, bat ke Circuit House Pynursla, hak jingan lang sembut Menteri Rangba ubak Preston tensong. Haba jingkran hak jingalang, Menteri Rangba ula pun pau ya ke jingkeman halur ke jingla pun pendap ya kini ke artu di projek bakongsan. Kibade ke jingtemu bakongsan jokosor karjela, Banwan ra ya kesensyar kadar ke baturi kambha, ban penjana ya jing syakri patba, bat ban penya biang tarajur halor ke roy kapar ha kejela. Ngikwa ya karukom trikam ke batang kawai ha ke baki nong syong snong kinam dan kam syu ban mare na kawai ke office sya kawai pat na ke benta jing syakri bakongsan. Kathong ke jongi kalong ke basung, kata ke jing sensyar ke bapaka, baka jing a jing syakri ha ke jing kang jing ki patba uloong. Habasot na kajingkren jo unong tho ushif kera, halor kajingle yaki kam ki bakam per ulaong, hakapor bangis sedang haus nam arjar kat pra, kajing peden kam ya ka MGNREGS kalong tang hapo kasan spak klur tingka. Mentag la kenjo, syaka arjar klur tingka, om namar ki skim thmai, hindre namar bangi pentri kam hakarukom ka bakam per dakum pan. Kumju hapo ke Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, haka bangila yok kumba 1,000 hadu 1,000 teliki yeng haka shisnam, haki por ki baladam. Mentangila kenjo syaka iway point sanlak teliki yeng haka shisnam. Haba bataya ka jingmud bashalendet jo ka mini Secretariat Konrad uloong. Ka jingtmu kalong ka basung, ngikwa tang kaway ka rukam trekam, haka baki beriu kimdan kam banlait na kaway ka office syaka waypan. Baru kita nak terekam hapo kekerdan subdivision kin terekam hapo kawai katunum ban penbiang ye kijing syakri kam kuloi bat kam paka. Kajing temu kajonga kalong bahagi singi ki por ki banwan ki beriu ki la ban pa e ki kot ki sla syoko upes ke bajantam. Bat wan pa biang hadin shitayo ne shipo singi ban shimeki haka jaka ban let syadu syo upes DC. Ula pen pau ru kajing sngungu e ki pat ba nong syong snong halur ka jingat lang hamtam ka rat shabong kabala ais ngobha ya ka jaka nakabenta ka ni ka project. Kani kam de satya tang ka jaka Henry ka de ka khubor sya ka jila barok ka wai baki shnong ki tha bat ka sorkar ki la banya lang nakabenta ka jingbha ka bakham kraw. Ka e ka ba phile menta ka nyai sa jingkan mau ha ka history kum ka jing ais ngobha sya ki briu jongphi kata ka banlong kum ka jing syakri ki pateng ki banwan benrap ukon ran. Nalor kata ula kuburu ya ka jing persyang borba jong sembut Menteri Rangba ka jela da ka baong, hapo ka jingalam jong sembut Menteri Rangba jongi, ka jing tuklar bar ka jingkut jingmut pas kem jong u na ka benta ka than bet ki briu jong u, kala pelong ya ka ni ka project bakan dong ka basay so. Ka jing pendab ka jing jana jo ka jing tre ka long ka ba ihun shibun. Ngidang perkat wat ban shim ya kan nuksa nak benta barok ki mini Secretariat hakeling gejela kenang baki beriu kin itho mardor ki kum ki jaka jogi kam sensyar khadar baka jing a jing syakri la benram. Haka juk kapor usembut Menteri Rangba ubak Preston tensong haka jingkeren ula penpa ko jing sngongo ya Menteri Rangba gejela ubala bu hakmat e ya Pynursla hakamat kam penroy jong gejela bat ulaya ro ru ya jingat lang ka balala ban penurlong ya kan ka project. Kiway pat ki balaya don lang ha kan ka singi ki kentop ya Chief Secretary Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed, Menteri ka Arts and Culture ba Sanbor Shulai, MLA ka Sora ba Gavin M. William, Commissioner and Secretary CVD Dingdo, nong ay buit ka Sorkar Meghalaya uba HM Shangpliang, kinong alam shnong bat kiway.
As political leaders and even as society. And we tell ourselves, I wish I had done that. And you know what, if I'd got another chance, then I will do this. And what we forget is that when we have that moment in our hand, we let it go. And we don't do the things and take the decisions because we are worried or scared that we will not be able to achieve it, or because we're not capable of it, or because somebody tells us that you can't do it. So therefore, I think it's very important in life to be more than what you think you can be. To seize that moment in life where you're getting that opportunity to do something, and because somebody tells you you can't, you give up. But then that motivation should come inside you to tell you that you can. And therefore, once again, thank you so much for singing that wonderful song today. It is very meaningful. It's something that inspires me, and I hope that will inspire each and every one of you present out here today. My dear friends, I don't have much to say, but I will continue with one thought, especially after what our sister has sung. And this takes me back to 2018. And I repeat this many times, but I wish to repeat it today also. And that line is a line from a book which was authored by Shiv Khera. And again, one of my favorite books, I should say. And the quote in that book is said that don't do different things, but do things differently. I repeat, you don't have to do different things, but do things differently. It's a very, very meaningful statement, and again a statement that drives a lot of the decision making in our government. First, I told you about that moment when you feel you can't do it, but then you tell yourself that yes, you can do it. A lot of people told us, don't touch the border issue. It's politically very, very hot and it's going to burn you. But we discussed with Deputy CM. And we said that if we don't do it, then nobody is going to do it. We have to try. Because 20 years from now, when we look back, we will regret that when given the opportunity, we didn't do it. Similarly, when I say we do things differently, I'll give you an example of what I mean. That when we have thousands of schemes from Government of India, we don't need to start new schemes. But we just need to make sure that that scheme that we are doing is implemented differently. We have block offices everywhere. We have SDO offices everywhere. It's not that we have to create more offices, but we have to make the system in such a way that the SDO office starts working differently. And when I say differently, I mean more efficiently. And this is the core or the crux of what we do as governance. When we started in 2018, MGNREGS had a utilization of 400 plus crore, less than 500 in 2018. Today, in 2025, the same scheme, not a new scheme, the same scheme of MGNREGS. But today, because we are doing things differently,